Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get Exhibition Pass in Heartopia. So the first step that you have to do is open the Heartopia application and enter your cozy town lobby. So from there, you will see your cute animal characters roaming around the colorful town, and then you just have to look for the special exhibition event banner or notification on the main screen. So it typically appears as a glowing event icon on the or an announcement pop up when a new exhibition seasons begin. Next step is tap on the Events tab from the bottom navigation bar or tap Exhibition banner in the lobby. So from there, you will see the current active events listed in their durations and exclusive rewards. So just find the Exhibition Pass event highlighted with a special banner and tap on it to view the full details. Next up is the Exhibition Pass details. Screen shows the available pass tiers, usually a standard pass and a premium pass. So each tier has its own set of exclusive rewards, decorations, and characters outfits unlocked progressively as you complete in-game tasks. So review the rewards for each tier and tap Get Pass to proceed. Next up is a purchase confirmation dialog will appear showing the exhibition pass details, including the cost and in-game gems or hearts currency. So just review the price and what's included in your pass and tap the confirm purchase button to complete the transaction. So just make sure that you have enough in-game currency before proceeding. Lastly is your Heartopia exhibition pass is now active, so the pass reward track is unlocked and you can start completing daily tasks to earn exclusive exhibition themed decorations, outfits, and in-game items. So just tap on claim rewards to start collecting your first set of pass reward. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!